In this video, I will show you how to post a review on Glassdoor. To do this, just go to glassdoor.com and sign into your account or create your account if you don't have one yet. And from there, you can then go to companies. And now here, just search for the company you want to post a review for. For example, Arby's. Then click search and then it will show up right here. So go and select the company. And now from there, you can click on add review or salary. Then select a company review and again enter the employer name. Then enter the job title you had and the location you worked at. Now these are not necessary because you may want to stay anonymous. So from there you can click next. And then here choose if you're a current or former employee. Select your overall rating, so it can be any out of 5 stars. And then enter the employment status, so were you full-time, part-time, temporary, or any of these other ones. So I'll say part-time. Then you can add a headline for your review. You can add pros, so at least 5 words. Your cons, also at least 5 words. Then you can have advice for the management. And then you need to agree to the terms of use. Then once you click submit review, it will be reviewed, and if it checks out, then they will post it. So that's how you can post a review on Glassdoor. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.